The world constantly demands that we stay connected, but in reality, the more connected you are to the noise, the less connected you are to yourself. True focus doesn't come in moments of tension. It comes in moments of clarity. So choose a time each day when you disconnect from everything. Phone away, no notifications, just you, your thoughts, and your plan for life. When a man starts practicing strategic solitude, he stops reacting to chaos and begins to control it. He becomes calmer, more confident. Decisions come faster because they're made from clarity, not emotion. And here's the paradox. The more comfortable you are being alone, the easier it becomes to be with others. Because you no longer seek approval, you're already in harmony with yourself.